Wow! Totoo? So, meron ako ditong 5 terms. Susubukan ko siyang i-explain in less than 5 seconds. Playboy. Serial flirt. Projection. Mapagpanggap. Not sure. Ngayon ko lang to narinig. Apology. Siguro ito yung mga nagsosorry pero hindi talaga sila sorry. Silent treatment. Ito yung hindi ka kinakausap bilang punishment pag magkaaway kayo. Gaslighter. Makes you doubt your own reality. Wow! Totoo? Please watch The Loyalty Game only on Prime Video.